we are not yet beyond danger. The vessel Subar drifts on the edge of catastrophe, caught in the invisible grip of a decaying orbit. A star looms ahead, pulling it closer with every silent heartbeat of gravity. August wrestles with dead consoles and silent engines, desperate to coax the ship back to life. Every circuit sparked back into being is a chance at survival. Every failure is a step toward annihilation. But even as this struggle unfolds, another story takes shape elsewhere in the cosmos. A story not of machines and orbits, but of life itself. The James Webb Space Telescope was built to look backward in time, to capture the faintest whispers of light from the universe's infancy. It was humanity's key to ancient history, a mirror held to the birth of galaxies. Yet, its mirrors and instruments have turned to something much closer, and infinitely stranger. An intruder has entered our solar system. Its name, 2I, Atlas. Neither a planet nor a star, but a wanderer. A body of ice, dust, and stone, cast adrift from another stellar system far beyond the reach of our sun. It has traveled for millions of years across the abyss of interstellar night. And now, by chance, or by design, it has arrived here. At first, astronomers saw only another interstellar comet. A rare messenger from the galaxy beyond, carrying chemical secrets of its forgotten birthplace. But when Webb fixed its unblinking gaze upon it, the data told a story no one was ready to hear. Within the glowing coma of sublimating ice, patterns began to emerge. Not random. Not chaotic. But structured. As though the molecules themselves were whispering a code. Carbon chains, ordered like sentences. Amino acids, lipids, forms echoing the architecture of biology. This was not just rock and frozen vapor. This was something that bore the unmistakable rhythm of life. The visitor, the James Webb Space Telescope, was not designed for near encounters. It was meant to reach across gulfs of time, to peel back the curtains of cosmic history, to glimpse the universe in its infancy. Yet fate, or something stranger, has compelled it to look closer. Closer not in distance alone, but in meaning. Its instruments caught the shimmer of a comet. A fragment from another star. Its name, 2I, Atlas. A number, a letter, a word. A designation that cannot capture the immensity of what it represents. This comet is no ordinary body. It is an exile from another world. A shard of a system alien to our own, flung into darkness long before humanity learned to kindle fire. It has drifted for ages beyond measure, silent and unseen, until gravity's dance drew it near our sun. At first, it was only a smudge of light against the black. But as Webb stared deeper, that smudge unfolded into revelation. Spectra, the colors of chemistry, told a story hidden within its frozen skin. And what they revealed shook the quiet halls of astronomy. The comet was not silent. It spoke in the language of molecules. Chains of carbon that bent into spirals. Compounds that echoed the patterns of life on Earth. Not merely organic dust, but structures, intricate, repeating, purposeful. These were not random accidents of chemistry. They hinted at order. At process. At something alive. Scientists hesitated. Skeptics raised their brows. Organic molecules had been found before in comets, yes, but never like this. Never arranged in such symmetry. Never woven with such precision. The comet was no longer a relic. It was a messenger. Perhaps a cradle. Perhaps a grave. But undeniably, something more than inert ice. The patterns, observation after observation was taken. Each one checked, rechecked, confirmed. Astronomers knew the danger of wishful thinking, of letting imagination guide the data. But the data itself refused to be ordinary. Every time Webb focused on the glowing halo of 2I, Atlas, the same signs appeared. Organic chains repeating in strange symmetry. Spectral lines hinting at complexity beyond geology. Chemical whispers that looked less like accident and more like intent. At first, the signals were faint. They could have been dismissed as noise, as coincidence, as the universe playing tricks on human instruments. But then the patterns grew sharper. Clearer. Impossible to ignore.